Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do when your Honor Choice X5 earbuds are not connecting and how to fix the issue step by step. So basically, what we'll need to do is put your earbuds back in the case and close it for 5 seconds. After that, open the case and take out the earbuds. And as you can see, there are little buttons right here. So put 2 fingers and hold it for 10 seconds. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, put these 2 earbuds back in the case and close it. Open the case for connection and try it out. So basically, when you open the case and take out again earbuds, the hard reset was performed and you'll be able to connect to your phone and check if this issue was fixed. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.